Okay, ma.
What is that?
Mom, somebody bash us.
Bash us?
Yes.
Àwọn olórí burúkú ọ̀nà bash us. Ó yà wèrè ó crazy ni. Àwọn bash us apá. So your boy, go and meet that person. Go and blast that person. Slap that person. Beat that person. If you are my real son.
Yes,
if
ma'am.
you are no bastard.
Yes.
Go and kill that person for me.
You're mad. Mommy said you're crazy. Mommy said you're foolish. Mommy pop. Yeah. Ah, shit. I don't die. Hey, you come here. Come back here. Sir, are you mad? Come back here. I'm mad. What are you talking to? It's not me. I said you people are mad. Not me. I don't know. Where's your mommy? Mommy, you have come. Yeah. Mommy. Mom's like, where's she? She on her way. She's fine.
Oga, I don't finish everything. Oh, the shop absorb everything. Don't they okay? I dey go workshop with that. Oga.
Pussy she fago. Elle est fago to Baba Fela.
Your money or your life?
Oh my days, irú ọmọ wo wá rèé nítorí Ọlọ́run.
Who is that? Let me say.
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Okay, you just waka go now. You no collect the chain for the gala where you buy.
Allahu Akbar!
Abi, you say make I keep the change.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh shit.
Yo.
But I want to run out.
Why do you always talk fast? Don't you have sense? Can't you be talking slowly? Be talking slowly. What did I say? Be talking slowly. Do you hear me?
Okay.
Jesus, stop it. See that guy that I'm owing money.
Ah.
Yeah, he's going to kill me today. Let's go. Oh, very cool, you know.
But
What now?
this
It's what?
is not our car.
Oh, I know talk since. Hey! What are you doing with our car?
No, it's my brother that.
Yeah!
No, brother. No, my car.
Where's the car?
Which car?
So now the sticker for this area, Abi.
No, no beside it.
Shut up.
You can do it tomorrow. Tomorrow is life.
Get out!
Abi,
Give me your phone! Are you dead? I said give me your phone!
You better be careful. I will just.
Where are you?
Yeah.